Okay, real talk. Mac has a built-in screen recorder, but it's basic. Like can't record internal audio kind of basic. Want to record gameplay? Tutorials? App demos with crisp sound and pro-level resolution? Meet 1001 Record, the simple, powerful, and privacy-first screen recorder for Mac. And trust me, this one actually delivers. Core features breakdown. 1001 Record is available for macOS Ventura 13.0 and above, and everything stays on your Mac. No servers, no creepy uploads. Just you, your screen, and a solid workflow. Complete capture power. Record your camera, your mic, and your Mac system audio all at once. No setup headaches, no extra software. Flexible recording options. Choose your FPS, whether you want cinematic 24 FPS, buttery smooth 60 FPS, or anything in between. You also get full resolution control, including 720p, 1080p, 2K, and even crisp 4K. Annotation and effects. Add text, draw on screen, highlight key moments, and make your cursor pop with animation effects while you record. Editing, screenshots, and Watermark. Trim videos without needing Final Cut or Premiere. Just snip out the fluff and keep what matters. Want to take screenshots too? Add custom backgrounds, brand it with your watermark, and boom. Professional in seconds. Power features, scheduling and autosave. Running late for a Zoom call? Set a scheduled recording and let 1001 Record capture it for you. And with autosave by time or file size, you'll never lose a long recording again. Talk about peace of mind. File management and simplicity. Managing your clips is a breeze. Sort, select, and save files effortlessly. Because recording should be simple, not stressful. Why I love it. I've experimented with various tools like QuickTime, OBS, and ScreenFlow, but this is truly the epitome of plug-and-play excellence for creators. There are no complicated setups that cause frustration, and you won't encounter any pesky audio sync issues. It's as simple as hitting record and letting the creative flow take over. Pricing breakdown. Worried about the price? Don't be. As an Aaron Tech subscriber, you get an exclusive 50% off with our special promo code. Yup, half off. No catch, no cap. For those who wish to give the other plans a shot, let's break it down like a funky beat. Starter plan. Free, up to 10 recordings with screenshot tool. Yearly plan. $14.99 per year. Unlimited. No watermark. Full features. Pay once. $39.99, lifetime access plus updates. That's it. And students? You lucky folks get it for just $5.99 for the first year. Seriously. And if you're not a student and still need a coupon that chops the app at half the price, check the YouTube description to get instant redeemable coupons at checkout and thank me later. What people are saying. But don't just take my word for it. No time limits, no watermarks. It just works. Hashtag Grammarly must be crazy. Better than Screenium, smoother than Loom. Hashtag SMGRAPHS. Gaming plus conference recording in one. Chef's kiss. Hashtag marker up. 1080p, 60 FPS, no bugs? This app saved my content. Hashtag Slithario Gamer. 1001 Record is the fast, intuitive Mac screen recorder you've been looking for. Try it free and grab the lifetime deal if it clicks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below.